Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of an American candlestick telephone, and this is Steve's telephone from Texas. And so when this telephone came in, it came in with 4 other telephones, and what we wanted to do with this telephone is add a bell box for it for Steve, because it did not have a bell box, and it had to have cords installed on it, or cloth cords, and it needed a receiver capsule. And so what we're using here is an original receiver capsule on the inside, and the outside is aftermarket. The transmitter is totally original, and so is basically the receiver except for the case. So this telephone is basically original. And what we've done to the bell box that we located for Steve is we've added our eyelets, but these make great table models. We put some eyelets in it, we cleaned it up, and I also put an eyelet in it so that Steve can walk up with a modular plug line cord and go ahead and install it into the unit, and then he can use any size length cord he wants. And this is the other side, so we added another eyelet for our line cord that goes out and feeds the candlestick. So basically, this is a really cool setup now. He can set this bell box, and these little bell boxes like this are really cool because you can use them as tabletop models. And it looks really neat sitting next to the candlestick. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some final checks on this telephone now. And I want to show you the inside of this real quick. This is our original bell that's in the bell box. And then we've added a modular port here and finished up our bell circuit. So it's a really cool situation. What we're going to do now is the eyelet is just big enough to push our modular port through. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and push our modular port inside. Then we want to come around here and open it up, grab our modular port, and simply just plug it in. And then we can arrange our line cord and kind of pull it a little tight there, get it out of the way. I'm not going to tighten the screw down, but this kind of gives you a look at the bell box now. And it really turned out nice. So what we're going to do now, and this is the line cord side, this would probably face away from you, but here's your old connections. They've been disconnected because we don't want nobody to walk up to this and get shocked while the ring cycle goes, or there's even anywhere from 40 something to 60 volts DC on just the regular line. So they've been disconnected. We're going to go ahead and ring it now. I'll let that go a couple times. Let it go one more time. I'm going to go ahead and answer it. I want to give you some dial tone. Now that's an original receiver inside this capsule. Now what we want to do is I want to pick the candlestick up, and I'm going to go ahead and transmit into the transmitter. But first I want to make dial tone go away, and I'm going to go ahead and transmit. Now if you watch this red light, every time it lights up, that's an indication of 100% modulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. hello, hello. So we know that the telephone has transmit and that it has receive. And you want to hang this receiver capsule upside down like this, because on this particular telephone, receiver capsules don't go this way. It's too wide. So it would hang up like that, and that's not uncommon. A lot of them did. So now what we want to do is I'm going to ring it one more time, give you dial tone, and then we're going to switch it over to a regular line, and I'm going to use another telephone. We're going to make a phone call with it, and then give you some receive on that side. So we'll ring it again. Very cool sounding bells. Give you some dial tone. Now what I want to do is I want to take another phone. I'm going to move the line over to a regular line. I'm going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. Then I'm going to dial a number with another phone. And hang up.
Good afternoon. 2 Ford stores, one great company, Offenburg Ford. A short drive to great value. Today is Saturday, June 16th. The time is 2:05. Current temperature 102 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast. Partly cloudy today, 20% chance of a shower and a thunderstorm. Highs in the low 90s. Mostly cloudy tonight, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 70. Sunday, mostly cloudy, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90.
Okay, so now what we can do is we can call my number. I'm going to give you some dial tone. And it's going to be busy. We'll call one other number. We don't need anything from there right now. Give you some dial tone. Okay, so we know the telephone is in working condition, and the bell rings, and the original transmitter works. It has an original style receiver capsule. So basically the telephone is pretty much totally original. And it's just going to really look good no matter where Steve puts this. Anybody would love to have this set up. It's a really cool bell box. He's got a very nice candlestick telephone here, an American. And it's just going to be a great item to set on a desk somewhere, and it's going to look really cool. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Steve's Equipment from Texas. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.